Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today I'm facing one of the issue, that is the current user is not authorized to perform the request action. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. How to solve this issue? When I try to create the collections, there is a section that is permissions. Choose who can access your collection and documents. Okay, so you can go more about this, the database permission at the collection level. Okay, so you can read up collection settings, document security. Document level permissions are only applied if the document security is enabled. Okay, so here we have the document level. When the document security is enabled, users will be able to access these documents only for which they have been granted either a document or the collection. So you can add the specify that all users can get this, selected users, or what. You can make it any guest can create it, read it, update it and delete it. Okay, so make it update. It is updated right now. Okay, permissions updated. Fine, let's go and again hit that one, and here you can see that the document created successfully. And if I go to the collections, let's go back, documents, and here you can see that the document ID, title, created, updated is created, right? So this is how you can fix this issue. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. In the next video, I'm going to show you the code, like how we can create the document and all. Okay, thank you so much. Have a great day.